Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add admin commands in your Roblox game. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, just go ahead and open up your experience under Roblox Studio. Open it up and just wait for it to load. So once you're in here, just go ahead and find the toolbox. It can easily be found here at the top left. Now in this section, just go ahead and click on the search bar and find HD admin. Okay, type it down. Just like so. Now click on HD admins under models. Okay, so just click on it. Now go ahead and click on HD admin right here for free. Okay, so just click on it and click on OK. All right, as you can see here, it will be placed randomly. But if I were you, I'm going to go ahead and hide this one. Hide this however you want. You can go ahead and put it up the top to the sky or below the ground or in between objects. Okay, just hide it however you want. And then once that's done, you'll be able to see under Explorer, we have here HD admin. Okay, and we have settings. So double click on settings and then go ahead and find head admin right here because you yourself is the owner. So you can go ahead and add in yourself here as well or your friend's username. Okay, let's say I'm going to add in this guy. All right, as a head admin. The owner, of course, is the super user. Below that is the head admin, and below the head admin is the admin, mods, and VIP non-admin. Okay, and then once that's done, all you got to do next is just click on play. Now for the admin to go ahead and apply commands, all they got to do is just click on HD right here, find commands, moderation, it's up to them. Okay, and then find any command that you need or your friends need from here. All right, and there you have it. That's how you add admin commands in your Roblox game. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.